Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use the cruise control feature on the Jasion Thunder Pro ST, and I'm going to demonstrate it in this video. But first, I would like to tell you guys about the giveaway that I'm doing on this channel when I reach 2,000 subscribers. So I'm doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Once I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a DJI mic mini kit with the mobile receiver. This kit's pretty cool. You can use it with any phone that has a USB-C port. As you probably know, iPhones don't work and iPads don't work with Bluetooth in the native camera app. So this gets you around that and pretty much anything with a USB-C port. So to enter, all you have to do is like and subscribe to my channel and comment on this video. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching. So first things first, the button that you're going to use to turn the cruise control on is the minus pedal assist. Now, if you're not moving, it's just going to put it into the walk mode. See that flashing right there? So got to be moving first. So now that we're moving, you're going to press and hold until you see that green flashing right there, the little speedometer sign. Now you just hold a steady throttle. See how it quit flashing right there? Now the cruise control is set. If you want to speed up, just throttle up and hold it there until the speedometer quits flashing. See there? Now we're set up again. And all you have to do to turn it off is just tap either of the brakes and it'll just go back to the flashing. We'll go again. Back up a hill. See, now it's set. See, it's not flashing anymore. Also, if you just twist the throttle and release real quick, it will also disable it. And now it's set again. Hope this little video was helpful for you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and also be entered in the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys.